Okay, so I just took delivery of my new Beau Hannam ukulele, and I couldn't be happier. It's absolutely stunning. It's curly maple back and sides and neck. It's actually, if you've been following the cello, Chris Dungy cello built for Hannah Alkire of Acoustic Eidolon, and the Beau Hannam built guitar built by Beau Hannam, built from the same chunks of curly maple and the Engelmann Spruce tops. Well, turns out there was enough wood left over to build this guy, and wow, I just got it, just took delivery of it, and it's just incredible. It's stunning. The tone is so rich and full. Now I have it tuned quite a bit below standard tenor uk tuning. Just dropped the whole thing, and I have it strung with the high fourth string as well. So, but again, the tone, the play, it's like butter in my hands. It's just a spectacular instrument. I'm so happy with it. I'll play a little bit here, standard kind of Hawaiian vibe thing. So yeah, it's just gorgeous. Intonations, dead on. Just could not be happier. How about a little Bach? Some flamenco. However, Beau doesn't like it if you bang on his instruments, just FYI. So, but anyway, yeah, it's just, wow, I just could not be happier. Thank you, Beau, for building me such a beautiful instrument.